In this lecture, you will know what is, really, software development, aka programming. I understand when you have an idea, you are enthusiastic with your new project, and you want to dive directly into the code. But you will gain a lot to stop and think a little. Why? Because it will help you to produce a better code and to code faster. In order to produce strong and robust programs, what you need to do is to write what you want to develop. It's that simple. For example, if the user of your website posts a comment, what should do your code? Hit the pause button of this video and think about it. I guess you've found something simple, and you're right. You have to keep it simple, stupid. One possible solution would be, when the user validates his comment, the program gets the comment content, inserts it in the database, displays a successful message to the user. It's quite simple. You can add some details like the user must give his email and the first name, but let's keep it simple for now. This little text is called the nominal use case. Because everything is going fine, like expected, there is no error. But when a user clicks, the program does 3 steps, and for each step, an error can occur, and you have to manage that. On the first step, the user may validate an empty comment. The program must detect it. On the second step, the database may throw an error, a timeout, a not enough space. These are technical reasons, but you can have a business reason. The user has already posted the same comment. You must prevent multiple comment clicks. You can also prevent spamming by analyzing the comment contents or by checking a banned IP, etc. All these things you may not think about will eventually occur, especially technical errors. But you don't have to think about all the possible errors. You just have to manage that an error can occur. When you write your nominal case, you write what the program does, the steps. Each step can be either OK or KO. Then you must manage the KO case. You will see that in details in a coming lecture. To help you write your nominal case, here is the formula where you fill the brackets. When the user does something, the program does successfully action 1, and you have to manage unsuccessful, does successfully action 2, and you must manage unsuccessful, and so on. So when you've described your nominal case and the errors, you have a use case. So when you have written what the program does on a user action, copy the use case, paste it in your PHP file, and turn it into a comment. Then you can start to code according to your comments. You know now a simplified version of a software engineering technique used widely in the most serious industries. And you can use this method with any programming language. This is a simplified V-cycle. For each dev you have to do, you must follow this cycle. First, the specifications. Write what your code should do. It is your use case that is nominal case and errors. Second, the development. Code according to your specifications. And then third, the test. Test that your code do what your specifications specify. So programming is more than code. To get a bulletproof program, you need first to write your use case, nominal case and errors. Then you can code according to what is planned. And don't forget to test your code does what the specifications say. See you in the next lecture.